Hello folks, today we are going to walk over the functional workflow of managing products and product variants in Odoo. Products can be managed from different application, say sales, purchase, inventory, and currently let me walk you through all these applications. We will find the products menu within sales, and we will also find it into the purchase app. Also we will find it into the inventory app, in the inventory control. Product, basically product is equivalent to product template, and product variant can be actual product, which in our case will be categorized as a stockable product for the sale. Let us check it out. Let us see how to add a product. Let me navigate to sales products menu, and here you will see the grid as well as list uh, view showing the products. This is the list view, and this is the grid view showing all the existing products. Let me create a new stockable product. Here we can provide the product name and other general details. Let me create coaxial cable, and we'll keep the product type as a stockable product. Here we can check out the product's properties, that it can be sold and it can be purchased. Moreover, we can populate other general information like product part number, barcode, and certain more details. And there is one more field along with these details, is internal category. This internal category can be used for various filtering and reporting purpose. Moreover, it can be updated or managed. All the categories can be managed from the configuration menu, where it says product categories manage. So let me select cable assembly as a internal category. Moreover, in this general information tab, we can define the sale price and the cost price. The sale price is the price at which the product will be sold to the end customer from our system, and the cost price is the price uh, which we as an enterprise pay to the vendors or suppliers. So let me keep it to 50 and the cost price to 35. And there is one more field here, the control purchase bill, and we can keep it ordered quantities, or we can keep it on received quantities. The next step here is the inventory. Under the inventory, basically we can manage the vendors list associated with this particular product. Along with it, we can define the purchase price rules with minimum quantity and date range. Let me pull out and associate one vendor with this, and let us keep it the minimum quantity to let's say 20. The price associated with this vendor will be 30, and that's all. And a few more columns here are the start date and end date, which can be applied if we want to apply the specific price rule for particular duration of date range. Moreover, apart from that, let's move forward and take a look at how to define the sales price. Uh, Under the sales tab, the pricing section allows to define uh, different sale pricing rules based on minimum quantity to be considered and applicable date range. So we can create one price list rule. Let's keep the price. This is the actual sale price which can be configured out. We are keeping it, let's keep it 45 if the minimum quantity is, let's see, 25. And we can also define different product variants based on the specified product attribute. As I mentioned earlier, the product will serve as the template and the product variant will be the actual product if provided. So let us define different variants for this coaxial cable product based on the length attribute. Okay, so here we have provided 3 attribute values for inches as an extra property for defining the variance. We can have more than one attributes on the same template if required. And here we go. So the coaxial cable product is created. Let me show you of these variants on the product variant list. Let's search it out. Okay. So here we can see the 3 different products created out of the provided product variants, that is 5 inches, 24 inches, and 36 inches. And each variant now which can be associated or can be seen as the individual product with isolated attributes, and the actual stockable quantities can be recorded based on this particular single variance. Further information regarding the stocking and stock moves will be provided in the purchase management video. So stay tuned and let's explore more. Thank you.